Hello traders, welcome back to uGenesys, and let's kick things off by showcasing our impressive results we've made on our client accounts. Here we have a cent account where we've made a total of 15.80 cents, and we have now achieved a more than 1% total growth on this account, 1.3% to be exact, and we are on pace to hit 1% growth per week, which is a total of 4% per month. Now here's where the game changes. Our copy trading program allows you to link your account to our master account, automatically mirroring our trades, and the icing on the cake? Signing up is entirely free, with no monthly or weekly fees. Regarding those earnings, we only deduct a modest 20% fee from your profits when you're in the profit zone. So if you make $100, you'll contribute $20, leaving you with a net profit of $80. What sets this apart is that you pay only after you've made money, unlike other programs that require upfront payment. Furthermore, it's incredibly convenient and hands-free. You can even let your profits accumulate while you catch some shut-eye. This is particularly advantageous for novice traders who may feel overwhelmed by the abundance of information online. Think of it as a long-term investment. With a conservative 2% monthly growth, you could witness a remarkable 24% annual growth, surpassing what most banks and investment firms can offer. But here's the kicker, it's not exclusive to experienced traders. Our copy trading service caters to both standard dollar accounts and cent accounts. You can start as little as $10, equivalent to 1,000 US cents. However, for optimal results, we recommend beginning with at least $100, which equates to 10,000 US cents. Your capital has room to flourish, and you maintain complete control. Feel free to withdraw your profits whenever it suits you. Your profits are entirely secure, and we have no access to them. Our program proudly partners with Hot Forex Markets, a reputable broker that sponsors the renowned football club PSG. So don't hesitate any longer. This is the future of Forex trading. Click the link below to join our Telegram group for further instructions on how to get started. And thanks for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.